Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the TAG Heuer Aquaracer 43mm automatic black stainless steel, reference number WAY201A BA0927. I'm going to talk to you guys about the case, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. It's a 43mm case from my thumb to my index finger, and it has a water resistance of 300 meters. The case is both brushed and polished. So let's take a look. What part is brushed and what part is polished? Well, the side right here is a high polish, and the lugs here are brush polished. And it's stainless steel, as I said, so it's very, very robust. Now the bezel, okay, is a turning bezel, and what that's good for is you can set and check elapsed time by putting this arrow at the minute and seeing how much time has passed. Now the bezel is, I can't believe that TAG Heuer can make a ceramic bezel, which is what this is. This ceramic bezel at this price point, at least as of 2020, the retail price on this is $2,650, and for them to make a ceramic bezel at this price point is really amazing. Okay, it's, oh yeah, by the way, it's a caliber 5, and if you look, since we're talking about the dial now, what I really like is these yellow accents. It's quite a very cool dial, and TAG Heuer calls it sunray brushed black finish. Okay, and you see these hour markers, those all luminesce at night, so it looks quite good, and you can tell what time it is at night. And if you look at the, and it also has the date, of course. So a very, very robust watch with a lot of functions on it, and at a price point that's just, it's amazing. It's killer. Okay, now the movement, all right, is a caliber 5 automatic, as I said earlier, and it has a power reserve of 38 hours, a frequency of 28,800. It's basically an automatic watch. That's pretty much all you need to know. All right, anyhow, so trying on this watch, giving you my thoughts. Oh yeah, I forgot to say the buckle is a deployment style buckle. You simply press it and open it. Okay, now feeling this watch, it feels very sturdy in my hand. The bracelet feels very good. I like the thickness of it. It kind of reminds me of like a Submariner, except not at this crazy expensive price point. For the price point of this watch, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot more people were buying this watch. It really ticks off all the right functions. I mean, it's black. It has a good, strong bezel. It's a good size. It's automatic. The bracelet feels excellent. And has this cool sort of yellow racing look to it. And at a price point that really can't be beat. So if you want to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com, or click on the link in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.